The Creality Nebula Pad. It's supposed to improve the print quality. But why are there layer shift problems? Why is it not fixed? Why is root access locked to prevent people from fixing it? Enough of this BS. It's time to fix it ourselves.
Before we begin, here's a quick warning. Using a custom-rooted firmware will limit the warranty. There is also a risk that you may brick the Nebula Pad, but it can be recovered. Otherwise, it will unlock the full potential and ease the pain. Start by downloading the official version 1.1023 firmware. Then, download the custom-rooted firmware. Lastly, download an app called Putty. Before installing the custom firmware, it will be safer to downgrade the Nebula Pad to version 1.1023. Copy the official firmware into a USB drive. Plug the USB drive into the Nebula Pad. Proceed with the update. Next, copy the rooted firmware into the USB drive. Plug into the Nebula Pad and proceed with the update. Get the IP address of your printer and unplug the USB drive. Back to the PC. Use Putty to connect to the printer. Log in as root. If you manage to do so, you have successfully rooted the Nebula Pad. Now that the Nebula Pad is rooted, you can install all kinds of funky stuff. Start by downloading this helper script. Run it. Then, install whatever features you need. The common ones are Moonraker, Fluid, and Mainsail. Once complete, exit and close the connection. In your browser, access port 4408 of your printer. Fluid should launch and you are good to go. To fix the layer shift problem, edit the printer config file. Slightly raise the stepper motor current. In your slicer, you may also want to slow down the print speed and acceleration. Lastly, make sure that the belts on the printer are not loose. And that the gantry is level. If the gantry is not level, loosen the nut at the top of the screw rod and adjust accordingly. With that, the Nebula Pad is rooted and the layer shift problem fixed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.